Hello, welcome to my video. My name is Latifa Kurnia Hapsari. I am student class of 2016 from the University of Indonesia. On this occasion, I will present my article titled Income Tax in Ternate's Income Tax Regulation Manuscript. Before we go further, let's get to know about Ternate first. Ternate is a town located in North Maluku Province, Indonesia. Ternate, also known as the Spices Island, has an area of about 40 square miles. Ternate is surrounded by coral reefs, volcanoes, and the location of the island is less than 3 miles from Dailolo. Ternate was one of the international trade areas in eastern Indonesia's shipping lanes in the 14th century. The main factor of Ternate becoming a shipping lane is the abundant spices in the region. This led to Europeans being interested in coming to the region starting in the 15th century and made great change to Ternate society, including into the field of economics. The spice trade, like cloves, brings Ternate into contact with the outside world, such as the Netherlands, Spain, and Portugal. The income source of the Sultanate of Ternate was obtained from Upeti, land of Kolano, Ngase, the acceptance of belasting or tax through the Syahbandar income. The income given to the Sultanate is one of the financial sources that came from the Ternate community. Besides, tax and upeti that obtained from the people will be managed by the government for the sake of the nation need. Regulations about the income are in the archive of the income tax regulation. This regulation was set up on the tax of income that must be paid by the Ternate community at that time. The problem and the purpose of this research. Based on the previous explanation, the problem in this article are how the prevailing income tax rules in Ternate and how the implementation of Income Tax Regulation 113/H814 to the taxpayer. The purpose of this research are discussed about the prevailing income tax rules in Ternate and explain the implementation of Income Tax Regulation 113/H814 to the taxpayer. Next, method. This research used philology methods with tax theory approach. This research started by doing literature review, inventory of the manuscript, transliterating the manuscript, and analyzing the manuscript according to the transliteration. This research used a manuscript called Peraturan Pajak Pendapatan 113/H814 as a corpus. Next, analysis. Results showed that there are regulations that regulate the taxpayer, calculation of the anslag, the tax collection methods, and fines. The regulation doesn't mention the amount of fines that must be paid by taxpayers and doesn't mention the specific sector that have to pay the income tax. The regulation was applied by the royal government to all citizens who live in Ternate. According to the regulation, this research also found the intervention of the Dutch government on the management in Ternate's income tax. It can be seen from the clauses of the regulation that shows an agreement between the Dutch and the royal government caused by economical interests. The conclusion of this research. This study, which discusses about the manuscript of Income Tax Regulation 113/H814, has found several conclusions as follows. First, Income Tax Regulation is a regulatory text that contains about income tax. The manuscript consists of 19 chapters and came into force on January 1st, 1912. Second, the grouping of people who were tax exempt in the past was more like people who worked under the royal government or people who who played a role or stakeholders in the life of the Ternate community at that time. Third, the amount of tax in the past was charged for from 100 parts of the total income, or it can be interpreted as 25% of the income. In addition, it can be found at the scripts that the Netherlands has interfered in the collections of income tax. It can be seen from the several clauses which state the agreement between the royal government and Dutch government employees.